But no, look at how low it is.
Oh my God.
It's really low.
This is the overflow. This hasn't been used.
Whoa! Guys, it's water!
Look, there's shade over here.
Did you see water?
Come on, Luke, you can handle it.
I can't.
You can't. You can or you can't. You wanted to go.
This is the Hoover Dam. This was created a long time ago.
Yeah, the dam tour will tell us all about it, right?
Yeah, this place was made a long time ago, right?
Look at this bridge. Isn't this cool?
Yeah. Over where the river is. It's an overflow.
It's the overflow.
Yeah, an overflow.
The water gets too high. It runs down here and it fills up this and it goes down around the dam. So it doesn't get so high that it breaks the dam.
So high.
Excessive heat warning. Look at. Drink plenty of water. Oh, here's the spillway. Look, it talks about the spillway. Look. The last time the water flowed through the spillway was 1983. I was 1 year old when that happened. See, and this is what it looked like when it was spilling away.
That's when the dam was completely broken. I actually love this dam. This is probably the most... Wait, what's the most popular dam in the world?
Probably this one.
Why
Everybody
is-
knows about the Hoover Dam.
Yeah, everybody knows about the Hoover Dam. I mean, why wouldn't it be popular? This is Arizona. Well, kind of Arizona, but
It's in Nevada.
yeah. Wait, it isn't like...
Right by Las Vegas.
Yeah, where the Luxor is.
And
I really
and
like that name. It's a cool name.
It is cool, right?
Wait, how did it get that name though?
They named it after, the Luxor would be like a name from Egypt,
Yeah.
Egyptians.
Yeah, like the Luxor pyramid. No, that's the hotel. But it's still a pyramid. Even the Rugong is. Even
Yeah,
the
look at
Rugong
see that line on the wall of the mountain.
Yeah.
Or the
Yes. I
The-
see it.
that's where the water was.
So it flows
That's how
down.
low the water is. Isn't that crazy?
Crazy. I didn't know this was so popular.
So and see these things right here.
So you can view them? Wait, can you actually go
We don't
on
talk
them?
about those. But no, you can't go on those. But those are I think they're the generators. I think those towers are.
It's the most popular dam in the world. The Hoover Dam.
Are you coming?
15 mph.
All of it.
Hey, wait, don't cross.
What's the Hoover Dam for?
Why don't we go all the way down and then we'll cross over there? So I like to see these.
These towers?
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
Besides, why is it so high? Why is it so high up?
Trying to find the hotel, but we already booked the other hotel. I don't see the other hotel, but supposedly you can see this from the hotel.
You can see the Hoover Dam from the hotel?
Yeah, supposedly.
Wait, from the...
There's a Hoover Dam hotel. See, this is the Arizona Intake Tower. So that's where the water goes inside the tube. Go down to the bottom. You're right, this is Arizona. You're right. Look, there's the Arizona time. I think it's the same. Well, are you hot? We're going to go inside. We'll do the inside stuff.
Like the tour?
Yeah, there's a museum right there.
Wait, about the history?
The history of the dam. How they created it.
Wait. I don't even know how it was created.
Who created it? Well, why did they create it? What does it do? What are all these electrical wires? What does it do? What does the dam do? Why is it important for the city of Arizona or the state of Arizona?
Because it was constructed a long time ago.
Well, what does it do for us? What does it do for?
It helps control the floods.
What else does it do? It does something else very beneficial.
Did you know? I think the world's largest dam is the Swan Dam.
Hi guys, sorry.
In,
No problem.
On the Nile River in Egypt.
Yeah, but what does this dam do for this area? Hey, if you want to walk on that side, we can walk on that side underneath the shade. Huh. I just wanted to see a little bit of this. Okay, let's go together. Ready?
Wait, why are we on both?
I don't know what happened to Grandma. See, now we're in shade. Look at this side. This is the meat and the potatoes, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. I don't know if you want to look down. Yeah, this is the meat and the potatoes, right?
Yeah. Don't drop it.
Wow.
Yeah, don't drop it.
Isn't that amazing? But did you notice something here? See those wires that come off there? Look at, there's electrical wires. What does this do?
It's